Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
What's up guys, it's me again, Damian from Cool Mentors IT, and today I want to talk about some theory. My task for the next few videos is to tell you everything you need to know about the HTML and the CSS to make your own first website from the absolute zero. And after some theoretical videos, we're gonna pop into the code editor and make a simple but really good looking and modern website of our own. Yeah, boy! But to do that, we need to get through some basics to know exactly what is the structure of every website on the internet. Oh, come on, it's not gonna be that bad, I hope. So the HTML file is built with the tags. The main tag is HTML, and as the most of the tags in the HTML file, it contains the opening tag and the closing tag. Between those tags, we can open and close other tags, creating HTML structure. There are also self-closing tags, which we will discuss later on. Our HTML tag, no matter what, is supposed to have two main structure tags in it. And those tags are the head and the body. As you can see on this picture, HTML file is just like a human being, and it needs those two crucial parts to exist. Now the head tag is not visible for the user. This tag is responsible for informing the browser about the important elements of our website. Which elements? We'll get to this. On the other hand, we have the body tag, which contains all the elements seen by the user. The body tag basically contains the whole visible layout of our website. Those are the three key roles of the head tag in our HTML file. So as you can see, it's not visible for the user. We define the parameters and the meta tags here, and we upload external files here. Now I want to show you the basic HTML structure in the code editor. As you can see, we have index.html file, we have style CSS file, and a JavaScript JS file which is empty. So let's get back to our HTML file, and I'm gonna show you and explain what do we have here. So first of all, we have this doc-type HTML tag, which we inform the browser that it has to do with the HTML file. So it's basically not for us, but for the browser. I'm gonna delete these comments to save some space and show you the HTML structure, just how it is. So I'm gonna delete it so we can get to the other one. Then we have our HTML tag. And as you can see, we have an attribute in it. In this case, this is language attribute with EN value, which stands for English. In this attribute, we declare the language used on our website. So I'm gonna delete it as well. And then we have our head tag. The first meta tag we use is with the charset attribute, which should be set with the UTF-8 value right here. And as you can see, it's the character encoding. In this charset, we have all English letters, but also German, French, Spanish, Italian, or Polish letters. So I'm gonna delete this comment right here. And I'm gonna show you what exactly this meta tag does. I'm gonna save our file, Control S, and open our HTML file in the browser. So there we go. This is our website, and what you can see here is the content of our div with ID wrapper set right here. We have some paragraphs in it in a couple languages, and as you can see right here, everything is displayed well. You can see the local signs for each language, and you can see them because we have this meta tag with charset UTF-8. And now I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna close this website, and I'm gonna comment our meta tag right here with Ctrl/ on your keyboard. I'm gonna save our file, and now if I open our website in Google Chrome, as you can see, everything is how it used to be. But when I open our website in other browser, for example Internet Explorer, we have something like this. That's because our browser could not define the charset, which we used on our website. So that meta tag is very important, and we should always place it on our website. Now let's delete this space right here. And the next meta tag we have is viewport, as you can see right here, with this content, which don't worry, you shouldn't be memorizing right now, because we have it by default in Visual Studio Code using Emmet shortcut to create our basic HTML structure. All you need to know is that this meta tag should be in your HTML file every time you're making a responsive website. Because as you can see, this meta tag is determining the display method on our mobile devices. This tag should be used when our website is designed responsively to look good on smartphones and tablets. I'm gonna delete it right now to save some space. And the next tag I want to talk about is the title. So this is the title of our website, and it's visible in our browser and in the Google search results. I'm gonna show you something right now. This is our website, and this is the title of our website right here. We can change it if you want. We save it. Now we have to refresh our website, and the title's changed. I'm gonna show you where it's also visible. If we Google something, the title of our website is visible right here. These are the titles of the websites presented. So the title is very important tag in our website. Let's go back to our structure. I'll delete this comment. And the next meta tag is description. We can see it right here. This is the name of our meta tag, and this is its content, which is the actual description of our website. And as you may know already, the description will also appear in the Google search. Now I'm gonna delete the comment right there. And the next tag we have is link. You may already know this tag because we can use it to import our CSS styles to our website. But in this case, we're importing a custom font to our website from Google Fonts. So we tell the user's browser to download the font we used on our website. Now I'm gonna delete this comment. And below we can see the other link tag, but now it's our custom CSS styles. So as you can see right here, the rel attribute is the same, it's style sheet as well here as here. But the href attribute, in the first case, we have the reference to the Google fonts to download our custom font. But in this case below, we have a reference to our CSS style in our CSS file, which we can see right here or right here. See? Let's go back to our HTML file. And as you can see right here in the comment, we import the file with our custom styles, just how we import custom fonts from Google. Now let's delete this comment. And I wanted to show you that styles can be also put in the head tag like below, but it's a bad habit to use it like this. So between opening and closing style tags, we can put our CSS styles like this with no problem. But as you may know, it's better to do this in a separate style CSS file, which we can name however we want, but it's a good habit to put your CSS styles in different files. Now let's go back to our HTML file. Let's delete this comment right here. Let's even delete those styles. I just want to show you that you can do this, but it's better to put your styles in the separate files. Let's delete it. So that's the end of our head. As you can see, after the head we get the body tag right here This is the body of our web page. And in addition to our div with ID wrapper, where we have all our paragraphs, we have also a script tag with the source javascript.js, which is our file with the JavaScript we have right here. So this file is empty at the moment. I don't want to show you the JavaScript right now, but I wanted to show you how to implement your JavaScript file into your HTML file in the future. And the best way to do this is to put your JavaScript file in a script tag with src, which is the source of your file, just before the body closing tag. There's also another way to put your JavaScript into your HTML file, just like in CSS, which is also not recommended, but I'll show it to you. We can create a script tag without the src attribute and put our JavaScript between those tags, just like we did with the CSS. But as I said before, it's not recommended. It's better to put your files separately. It's good to have a HTML file, CSS file with your styles, and JavaScript file with your JavaScript. I'm gonna delete it for now. Save our HTML file. And basically now we have the whole structure of our website. I wanted to add some bonus after the meta tag with description. A couple years back it was very popular to put a keyword meta tag with it, but now it's not very valuable and it's not very effective. I'm mentioning it because you can see this meta tag in many websites. You can put it in your own websites as well, but you should know that it's not necessary today. And I think I said everything I wanted to say for today.
Phew.
So that's all for now. I hope it wasn't so bad. We needed to get through this stuff to know the HTML better. So thanks for watching. My name is Damian. This is Cool Mentors IT. If you like this video, click like. If you want to subscribe our channel, click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell. If you have some questions, I'll be down in the comments to help you out. See you next time, and I hope you keep your head up.